1. Magnetic levitation. Embark on a captivating journey into the realm of magnetic levitation. Explore how magnets are harnessed to defy gravity, lifting objects through the manipulation of magnetic fields. Delve into the applications, from maglev trains to levitating sculptures, showcasing the potential for this technology in various industries. 2. Magnetic resonance imaging (MRI). Dive into the fascinating world of medical imaging with MRI technology. Uncover how magnets play a pivotal role in this non-invasive diagnostic technique, providing detailed images of the human body's internal structures. Understand the principles behind this technology and its critical significance in modern healthcare. 3. Magnetic storage. Explore the evolution of magnetic storage, from floppy disks to modern hard drives. Investigate how magnets are integral in data storage, enabling the recording and retrieval of vast amounts of information. Discuss the challenges and advancements in magnetic storage technology. 4. Electromagnetic induction. Further explore the intricacies of electromagnetic induction. Dive deeper into Faraday's law and Lenz's law, understanding how changing magnetic fields generate electric currents and the diverse applications of this principle in generators, transformers, and wireless power transfer. 5. Magnetic hysteresis. Unravel the concept of magnetic hysteresis, a phenomenon where a material's magnetization lags behind changes in the magnetic field. Explore the significance of hysteresis loops in magnetic materials and their impact on various applications, including magnetic recording and magnetic materials engineering. 6. Earth's magnetic field. Embark on an exploration of Earth's magnetic field, understanding its origin and influence on our planet. Discuss the geomagnetic field's role in navigation, animal migration, and its interaction with solar winds. 7. Magnetic compass. Trace the history of the magnetic compass and its pivotal role in navigation. Understand how the alignment of a magnetic needle with Earth's magnetic field has been a cornerstone in aiding explorers and sailors for centuries. 8. Magnetic therapy. Delve into the controversial world of magnetic therapy. Explore the claims and practices surrounding the use of magnets in alternative medicine and wellness, considering both anecdotal evidence and scientific skepticism. 9. Superconductors and magnets. Explore the captivating relationship between superconductors and magnets. Uncover how superconductors, with their ability to carry electric current without resistance, enable the creation of immensely powerful magnets with applications in research, medicine, and energy. 10. Future of magnets. Peer into the horizon of magnetism's future. Speculate on emerging technologies and advancements in magnet-related fields, envisioning a world where magnets continue to revolutionize industries and shape our technological landscape. Part 2 of Magnets Explained aims to delve deeper into advanced concepts and explore a myriad of intriguing applications and implications of magnets in various fields. Stay tuned for an in-depth exploration.